India has stepped up surveillance in view of the emergence of that new COVID strain in the United Kingdom. While the centre has assured citizens that there is no reason to panic, it has released standard operating procedures for flyers. According to the new guidelines, passengers coming from the UK will have to undergo RT-PCR tests. It is also stated that positive persons should be isolated in separate quarantine units. Well, with India banning all flights from the UK till the 31st of December, Indian students in London are stranded. Listen in.
I'm disappointed due to the travel ban, as I was hoping to go back India and stay with my family on the Christmas and spend some time with them. Also, I have online teaching, as university gives us option for learning online. Also, the jobs are drying up. There's not a lot of shifts we can do.
If there is anyone with any urgent situation, please do reach out to us as well, and we'll try and do our best to help. Until then, everyone in both countries, I'm sure, is doing the best they can to help the communities through this very difficult situation. So I urge you not to panic, please, and stay safe and follow government guidelines, whichever country you're in at the minute.
I'm at Heathrow Terminal 2. Most of the flights to and from India take off and come into this airport at the moment, bereft of any Indian passengers or flights to India. A lot of people are stranded, especially students, and who wanted to go back, spend their Christmas holidays and New Year's holidays in India, a long holiday haul where a lot of students like to go. They get that break, and also people like us who would like to go back to India cannot go for this year, and UK being on the target list of most of the countries to where the new strain of coronavirus has been discovered, and it's rampant. The infection rate is going up. The experts here say that possibly till April we are looking at being in and out of a lockdown, while the vaccine also makes its way. Now, Pfizer vaccine comes from Belgium. Now, that's a big question mark. There could be a situation where that would need to be airlifted. But as of now, the students or the people who are not being able to go back to India have been asked to keep a track of the Indian High Commission website, and also for students specifically, first point of contact being their university, especially if they are running out of visa, then it is the Home Office. Lavina Tandon for India Today from Heathrow Airport, London.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.